Welcome to the spoken tutorial on Create a Database using PgAdmin. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to connect to the server, database and its objects, how to create a database, table and its attributes, and how to create a table. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 14.04 operating system, PostgreSQL 9.3.x and PgAdmin 1.18. To follow this tutorial, you should have good understanding of basic computer concepts and working knowledge of any programming language. Let us open the PgAdmin. Click Dash Home on the top left corner of the computer desktop. In the search box, type PgAdmin. The PgAdmin icon appears. Click on it. The PgAdmin interface is open now. Here, on the left-hand side, we can see the Object Browser pane. The various objects of the database are displayed here. The upper right pane shows the relevant properties of each object. The lower right pane is the SQL pane where the script of the currently selected object is displayed. Let us see how to connect to the server. Click on the connection icon on the top left corner of the toolbar. New server registration window appears. In the Properties tab, enter localhost in the name field and localhost in the host field. Keep all the other parameters same. The database name and the username which are shown here are the names given during installation. Enter the password which you gave during installation. Click on OK button. Small pop-up windows will appear from time to time. These give additional information for our understanding. Always click on this checkbox. Do not show this hint again before you close these windows. I won't explicitly mention this. Click on OK button. Here we can see the connection established to localhost. Click on the localhost node. We can see several objects for this particular server. Now click on the databases node. The default database, Postgres, that is created during installation is displayed here. Database is a collection of information or data which is stored in an organized way. A database has objects such as tables, views, procedures, functions, etc. We will learn about these objects in the future tutorial in this series. We can have multiple databases depending upon our application requirement. Switch back to PgAdmin interface. Now, we will create a new database for our demonstration purpose. Right-click on the Databases node and select New Database. Type SampleDB as the database name and click OK. Now, we can see the database is listed under the database node which we created just now. Next, we will add a student table to the SampleDB database. What is table? In RDBMS, we store data in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data that is stored in rows and columns format. This is an example of a student table. Tables have columns which are called as fields. The fields in the student table are student ID, student name, address, city, phone, date of birth, CGPA, etc. A column is a set of value of a particular data type. This is also called as attribute. Here, in the student table, student's name is one of the attributes that represents names of students. Now, switch back to the interface. To create a new table in SampleDB database, click on the SampleDB node. Then click Schemas and then Public and Tables. Right-click on the table node and select New Table. Let us give students as table name. Click on the Columns tab to enter the columns for this table. Click on the Add button. In the new window that opens, enter student name in the name field. Select character varying as data type from the drop-down list box. The data type specifies what type of data the field can hold. Enter 50 as the length of the field. The length specifies the maximum length of the column of the table. Click OK button to add column to the table. We will see what are the common data types used in PostgreSQL. Integer, numeric represents numeric data type. For example, phone number, age, quantity are of numeric data type. Numeric n, d is also numeric data type with decimal places. Here, n is the total digits and d is the number of digits after the decimal. It can be used to represent fields like basic salary, unit price, etc. Char and character varying represent string data type. Fields such as name, address, email are of string data type. Text is a string data type with unlimited length. Date represents date data type. Likewise, I will add city column with character varying data type and length as 40. Add the column gender as shown. Add a date of birth column with date data type. Next, add a CGPA field. Select the data type as numeric. Enter 2 as length and 1 as precision. This is same as the decimal data type. We have entered all the columns for the student table. Click on OK button. A window shows some message about primary keys. We will see the importance of primary keys in the future tutorials. We can see the students table is created in the SampleDB database. Click on it. In the SQL pane, we can see the script of the create table command generated automatically. With this, we come to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learnt about how to connect to the server, database and its objects, how to create a database, table and its attributes, and how to create a table. As an assignment, connect to the server and check the default available database. Create a new database organization. In the organization database, create a table EMP with the columns EMP name, address, date of birth, and salary. The video at the following link summarizes a spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Nirmala Venkat from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for watching.